Kajabi tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Kajabi and how you can use all of its features. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to kajabi.com and just simply sign up. Now as you can see over here, they provide a free trial, so just simply click on start free trial and just simply sign up to begin with your 14-day free trial. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, once you have signed up, you've provided your card details and all of that. They will tell you to check your emails. So go ahead and check your email to confirm your address and activate your account. So once you have signed up, they will basically ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better. So let's just go ahead and do it. So over here, what brings you to Kajabi? Just casually exploring. I want to start monitoring my knowledge online, looking for a better solution for my online business. So I'm just here to casually explore. So let's go ahead and select that, click on next. And as you can see, I have 6 questions over here, and I'm going to go briefly over them. So how would you describe yourself professionally? So we have a couple of different options. So I am a freelancer, so let's go ahead and click that. And great. Do you currently run an online business? So yes, full-time, part-time. No, I'm helping someone else. No, I'm not. No, I'm interested in starting one. No, but I run a physical one. So let's go ahead and select that. Which industry are you most relevant in your business? So let's go ahead and select that. So let's just assume that our industry is related to photos and videos. Click on next. And then, have you used a platform similar to Kajabi? No, I've never used a platform to create an online business. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then down below, just simply enter in your name, your address, and your city, your state, postal code, and whatever, and then you're all done. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this form out, and I'll see you guys in a little. So this is how the Kajabi platform looks like, and as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's really similar. Like, you have your feeds over here, you have your tutorial up top, and you have your customer services and stuff like that down below. And then over here on the left side, we have the get started button. We'll go over that in just a second, but before we do that, let's check out the other options. So down below we have website. So maybe over here, I think that we can create our website, and then we have products. Over here we can manage and create our products. Then we have sales and marketing and people, where we just simply manage all of those settings and all of those stats as well. So let's go ahead and create our product. So we can create our product by clicking on the product button over here. And over here, as you can see, we have no product. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have to start from scratch with a blank product, or select a product blueprint to get started. So over here, the blank product is start a product from scratch with its blank blueprint. And then we have the mini course, where we can create a quick and easy to consume course to build a brand value. Then we have online courses, build a world-class online learning experience for your members. And then we have drip courses, we have memberships, and we have communities. So let's go ahead and click on create a blank project. We just have to simply enter in the name of the product, description of the product thumbnail, and then just pick a file if we already have one, and then just simply click on submit. So let's go ahead and enter all of these descriptions. So I've added product name, product description. Now let's go ahead and pick a file for our thumbnail. Let's go ahead and choose our file in the pictures. I have this blank bottle of shampoo over here, so I can't add that. Can we like move it around? No, we can't. So okay, let's just keep it like that. It's just for the sake of this video. So wait a couple of seconds for the thumbnail to upload, and once it's uploaded, we can go ahead and submit it. So as you can see, it's converting right now, and it's successfully uploaded. So let's go ahead and submit it. And now we are over here, we are building our product, adding the finishing touches. So as you can see, our product has been created. So over here, as you can see, we have our product name. But I added product name because I thought it would be funny. But over here is going to be the name of your product. And then down below, you have added details, you have customizations, you have offers, you have members, and we have more. So, and then over here, we can add more content by clicking on this button over here. So if I click on it, we can add in new categories, new subcategories, new posts, and we can upload multiple videos of the product so that people can see that it's legit. And once it's done that, we can now go ahead and click on website. So once we click on website, over here we can pick a theme to get started. So let's go ahead and customize the theme. It's just right over here. Let's go ahead and pick a theme. So as you can see, this is the theme store, and over here we can pick all of these different templates that are actually free, so which is pretty good. So we can pick any template that we want. So let's go ahead and click on this template right here, because since our product is about hair, about a shampoo, and we have fitness people over here, so they need a good shampoo to keep all of their hair clean. So we can go ahead and pick this out. So this is going to be the name of your template. Let's go ahead and click on get started. Over here, wait a couple of seconds because it's installing your new. So everything looks good now, and as you can see, it looks pretty cool. And we can go ahead and edit this theme as well, so which is pretty good. So this is going to be your home page. We can customize this page as well. We can click on the next page, and we can click on the next, and we can customize the next page as well. And we can customize the entire theme by clicking on the customize button over here. So if I click on this button, so over here, once we come over here into the customizer tool or the editor tool, we can see that it's pretty simple. Whenever we hover our mouse over any object, we can go ahead and edit that. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse over onto this text, we can go ahead and click on the edit button, and we can edit the entire text over here on the left side, and we can adjust the width of the text as well. So as you can see, I can adjust the width. Let me just go ahead and keep it at 10, so everything is symmetrical. We can we can change the text. We can add a call to action button over here. We can add a typography. We can add backgrounds, desktop layers, and stuff like that. On this empty button over here, if I click on this image, as you can see over here, the background image is over here, and we can select the image, and we can change the image as well. So it's pretty simple. It's really unique, and we can edit and change anything that we want. It's really up to you. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of different options over here. We can change all of this out. We can change it to we can add them to, like, these are our customers or our team members, and then down below we can change everything, and we can add our products over here as well if we want. And this is going to be our store button over here. We can go ahead and edit this one out as well. So it's pretty simple. It's really unique. So let's go ahead and click on save. I'm not going to go ahead into details about this because now you understand how you can edit your website. It's pretty simple. So if I save this theme, so as you can see, the theme has been saved. Let me just go back over here, and as you can see over here, this is the live button, so which shows that our website is live, and we can go ahead. So now we have created a website, we have created a product. Let's go ahead and click on marketing, where we can market our website and promote it. So over here, just simply enter in your address of your marketing. Just simply enter in your addresses, and then over here add a company logo, and over here you can edit the Kajabi email domain. All of the emails are going to be sent from Kajabi, so this is how it's going to look like. So this is going to be your email, your name, and at y.kajabimail.net. So this is how it's basically going to look like. You can even add custom domains if you want to, so that you can have your own custom name, your own custom email, because that is going to be much more professional. And once you have done that, just simply click on save. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And let me go ahead, before I click on save, let me go ahead and fill this one out, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. So I've added my details, I've added the logo, and I've added my addresses and email addresses. So let me just go ahead and click on save. And once it's done that, that is basically it, I think, because we can edit more. So we have done our marketing. So now whenever we try to promote our product, all our emails are going to be sent by either Kajabi or by our own custom domain. That is up to you, whichever one you select. So as you can see over here, as you can see, we have quite a lot of things going on. These are all the things that we can do over here. So we have domains, we have payment integrations, we have blog settings, drip settings, third-party integrations, mobile settings, email templates, and many more. So now that we have set up our product and website, and we've done our marketing settings, now let's go ahead and add a payment integration. So click on payment integration over here, and over here you have two options. You can either connect with your Stripe account or your PayPal account. Just simply click on connect, and enter in your PayPal account name, email address, and your password, and then just that is basically it. That is basically how you set up your PayPal payment integration. And that is how you basically use Kajabi to set up your own product and website for online digital products, to sell your online digital product. So that is it for this website, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.